They are not the leaders. They are administrative assets managing a foreign-owned territory. Why do you lie to your voters while taking orders from your owners? Look at Germany. In just the first month of 2026 Iran war, Friedrich Merz government approved 6.6 million euros in direct arm export to Israel on top of 4 billion euro Arrow 3 deal. But Germany does not own that system. Israel and the United States control the source code and the sensors. If Germany stops the cash flow, Israel can disable their air defense with one command. Germany is not buying security, they are paying a multi-billion-dollar ransom for a leash they cannot cut. Emmanuel Macron talk about sovereignty while French national data is physically stored in Med1 data centers in Tel Aviv. Your cybersecurity is outsourced to CyberArk and Checkpoint companies built by Unit 8200, the elite of Israeli intelligence. With Pegasus spyware inside every French ministry, there is no diplomacy, only blackmail. France did not protect its data, they gave the keys to the people who monitor them. Europe does not trust its own neighbors. Under Article 4 of the European Union Treaty, they keep security national just to justify outsourcing it to Israeli intelligence hubs. They chose CyberArk over European tech because they are already integrated into Israeli digital skeleton. You are a digital colony where every government secret is mirrored on a server in Israel before it even reaches a European desk. Europe has no independent military, no independent data and no independent will.